Hey guys, welcome back to H&E. Okay, so today I would like to give a very special thanks to KANO and iWorld for providing us with these STEAM projects. Okay, so we are going to be opening these two huge boxes today. So, what are we waiting for again?
I don't know.
Let's go. Right.
Let's get to opening. Come on.
Ooh.
Oh.
Is this Harry Potter stuff?
Yeah.
Get these out. Get them out. Oh,
Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look, guys! Even Harry Potter stuff.
oh my gosh! So it looks like this. It's from KANO and it's build and code dazzling lights. So make your own games. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
I want to try
In the
that.
back. I want to try this. You got Harry Potter. I'm jealous.
Swapsies?
Maybe. Are the orange ones any different? They are different. Make your own computer. Also, thanks to KANO. Whoa, okay.
And definitely thank you.
Learn,
For those
build it yourself, learn to code, make apps, art, Minecraft.
First, let's get these off the desk.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Why did they make this childproof? Oh no, we had the scissors.
I'll save them.
She swims through treacherous waters and retrieves. Oh! Okay,
That's
seriously, I need
sense.
to use it, please. No! Back on your words, get first steps. Yeah! Yeah!
Ooh.
Whoa! Look at this! Went the wrong way. That is pretty cool. I've almost got mine open now.
Oh my god.
Yes! So much of that. Doo-doo. And I reveal black. Ooh! Look at this! So this is the set. And let's see.
I need this.
How to make a light board. Stickers! Evie found the keyboard. So it looks like this is the light board. And what is this? This is some sort of light thing.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This, guys.
Look at that technology. This is cool technology.
I don't really know. Maybe it's for planning this. Maybe putting into it. I don't know.
I am now a rainbow. I'm beautiful. Because I am a rainbow. Rainbows are beautiful. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And in a further video, we will be making these. Not, maybe I stuck that a bit too far up. That's better. Anyway, so we will
Hang on a minute, I'm typing this down.
we will be making things in a further video, but for now, see you later!